Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Store Pickup plugin. Now this particular plugin allows the customers to use pickup option for the products that they want to purchase from your storefront. The admin will be able to add different pickup locations. Apart from that, the admin can add products and quantity of edit products for each pickup location. So using the plugin, now your customers will get a faster shipping option where the customers can go and collect their product right after the purchase from the pickup location itself. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you the working at the storefront and the product page, the option that the customers get. So here, as you can see right now, I'm on one of the product pages. That's the blue short skirt. And here you can see that pickup is available, and here we have an option for the pickup option. So if a customer taps on that, they'll get this particular pop-up with a particular heading here and the content that can be customized from the plugins configuration settings that I'll be showing you later in the video tutorial there. And the customer just needs to enter the zip code here, and according to the entered zip code, the particular locations would be filtered out for the customer there. So the nearest pickup location from the customer's entered zip code would be displayed to the customers there. So let me cancel this out, and I'll also be showing you how to create the pickup stores, assign products, and set the quantity of each product for the pickup location from the admin backend panel. But before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So now let's check the workflow of this particular plugin. So the customers can come to any of the products there on the store, and it depends whether that particular product has been assigned to a pickup location or not. If it's assigned to a particular pickup location, then the customers will find this label pickup is available, and the button here or the link here to bring up the pop-up wherein they can enter their location for searching the nearest pickup location for this particular product. So for example, if I tap here on the pickup options, then we have to enter the zip code here. For example, if I enter 90001, that's for the California, and I tap here on the find pickup points, you'll see that the pickup points, the nearest one has been displayed. Now it can also happen that, for example, according to there might be 2 or 3 pickup locations around the zip code that has been entered by the customer. Now it depends upon the range that has been set for the pickup location there, and according to the entered zip code, if it falls within the particular range there, then within that range all of the pickup points that are available there would be displayed to the customer here at the storefront. And here the customer can find the complete list of pickup points available for pickup, their address, the distance. Right now you can see that it's 0 kilometers. Others can be like 5 kilometers, 4 kilometers, depending upon the range set for the other pickup points as well. And then we have the quantity. So here the customer can enter the quantity there and can add the particular product into the cart there to make a checkout. After adding the product into the cart, the customer can find the pickup address. As you can see here, we have the pickup address being displayed to the customer, and thereafter the customer can easily tap on the checkout button to make a checkout there with the particular product. Now the pickup address would also be visible under what we say as after the customer has placed the order, under the order details, where the customer finds the details of the order there as well. The customer can find the pickup address details being visible there to the customer. Now one more thing is that, for example, we had already entered the zip code once, so the customer doesn't need to enter the zip code again and again for his location there that he has entered. So you can see that initially we had an empty zip code section here displaying a label and the content for the same, and now we have already entered 9001, so it's already showing the particular zip code that we have entered there. Now for example, if I enter 201301 zip code and I tap here on the find pickup points, here you can see that I am able to see 2 different pickup points. One is in Uttar Pradesh, Noida, and the other one is in New Delhi there. and one is the nearest one, the first one, so it's showing the 0 kilometers. Other one that falls within the range of the pickup point there shows it as 9 kilometers. So accordingly the customer can choose any of the nearest pickup points that he wants to choose, and can add the quantity and add it to the cart to make it check out thereafter. So this was basically the workflow of this particular plugin. That's the OpenCart Store pickup plugin at the customer's end. And now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see the different configuration settings and how to set up or how to create the pickup stores, assign products, and set the quantity of each product for the selected pickup locations there. So with that, let's hop on to the admin backend panel. I've already logged into the admin backend panel. Now after the successful installation of this particular plugin, you'll find one store pickup option in the side panel here, and tapping that up would bring up the list of the pickup points. Initially this particular section would be empty and there will be no pickup points being listed here, so you'll have to create the pickup points. So here you can see that we have the different pickup points. This is the one that we were checking, John Store, Los Angeles, California. The maximum distance was set as 10, and the other ones as well. So under here you'll also be able to delete any of the created pickup points by selecting that up and tapping on the delete button. Apart from that, you can also search the pickup points using the pickup point name, the zip code, the status, whether enabled or disabled, and the pickup maximum distance as well. Now after you created the pickup points, what you can do is you can assign the products by tapping here in the product, or with the products that you have assigned by tapping here in the product list, and that would basically bring up the complete list of products that you have assigned. And here within this section as well, you can if you want, you can remove the particular products that you added to this particular pickup point by selecting a product and tapping on the delete button. If you want, you can also add more products to this particular pickup point by tapping here on the add new button, and that will bring up this section to search for the particular product. You have to search the product, tap on the get details, and if it has options as well, you'll get the options there. Then you can set up the pickup point quantity, and you can also set up the pickup point quantity for the rest of the options of the particular product that you're going to add to this particular pickup point there. Now let's start for the time being back. Now let's see how we can add the pickup points. For that, what we need to do is we need to tap here on the add new button, and that will bring up the add pickup point section. Here what you need to do is you need to enable the status of the pickup point. Then you have to enter the pickup point name. For example, California pickup point. Then you have to enter the address. For example, 32 Street Lane, California. If you want, you can also put a space between the addresses there. For that, what you need to do is you need to enter a space like this, and then you can enter the zip code as well. Then you have to set up the pickup point zip code. So this will be the zip code for the pickup point itself. So for example, I'll enter it as 90001. I'll set the pickup maximum distance. So here you have to set the pickup point maximum distance, otherwise the default maximum distance will be applicable that you have set in the configuration settings of this particular plugin. So I'll set it as 30, and then I'll be tapping here on the save button thereafter. Okay, it must be between 1 and 25 characters there. So let me cancel this out, and let's now tap and save. So you can see that the California pickup has been saved with the zip code 90001 for the pickup point. The maximum distance 30, status is enabled, and now here we have the option to edit it up. If I tap on the edit button, we'll have this particular section to edit it up. I'll set it as pick up now. Let's tap here on the save button, and thereafter, if you want to assign the products to this particular pickup location, you have to tap here on the product list. Now here what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add new button, and that will bring up this particular section, and from here we can assign a particular product to this pickup location by selecting the product and tapping on the get details. You can also enter the name of the product and search it out. For example, blue. So after I've entered the blue, we can select the blue one, and we can tap here on the get details button, and that will bring up the quantity there of the particular product if it's a simple product. Otherwise, if it has variations, we can set the price for the variations as well. For example, for that I'll also show you the same. For example, if I get the beach prom dress, here we can set the pickup point main quantity as well as the pickup point quantity for the rest of the options that this particular product has. So right now let's go with the blue, for example, blue short skirt, and I'll tap here on the get details. We'll set the pickup point quantity as 30, and I'll tap here on the save button. So you can see that the pickup point product has been saved successfully. Now if I go back here, I can find the blue short skirt there, and it's edit there within this particular pickup store there. So that's how easily we can add the pickup stores very easily by tapping here on the add new button, and then filling up the details there, enabling it up, filling up the details, saving it up. After saving it up, when we can assign the products by tapping on the product list. If we have not added any products, then we can tap here in the add new products and select the product that we want to add. Tap on the get details, enter the details there for the pickup point quantity for the respective product if it has options as well. Then tap on the save button to save the particular product there, and then that particular product would be saved as I've already shown you. So this was about the particular thing in the section wherein we just saw how the admin would be able to create the pickup stores, assign products, and set the quantity of each product for the pickup location there. Now let's see the initial configuration settings for this particular product. For that we'll have to navigate through extensions, and then we'll have to go to modules. Now under the modules, here we have the store pickup module. You just need to tap here on the edit button, and here you'll be able to enable or disable the store pickup module status. So enabling it up would enable this particular functionality within your store. Then we have the distance unit. So from here you can choose the distance unit as miles or kilometers as per your own requirement there. Then we have the maximum default distance. So this will be the maximum default distance in the case when you're creating a particular pickup location. If you forgot to set up a location there, then location distance there, the default distance would be used in that place. Then you need to enter the Google Map API key, and you have the option to get the Map API key, and this is a paid feature in there for the Google Maps. So it's a paid thing there. Then we have the store pickup header here, pickup options, welcome pop-up body header. Now this is visible here. So want to pick up your products for free. Want to pick up your products for free. Webcool offers free pickup for most orders placed online. This is this particular content. Now this is the find pickup points button, and here we have the find pickup points button. So you can configure it up according to your own requirement there. And then we have the store pickup pop-up header here. So here we have the pickup options. So here is the pickup options, the link that the customer taps, and that brings up this particular section to enter the zip code to filter out the products there. So yes, that was much about the plugin. That's the OpenGuard Store Pickup plugin. I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of this particular plugin. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.us.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.